Hey, what's up everybody, this is Seatman for President. Welcome to my channel. Alright, I just got myself a new bike, and it's not one of those bikes that I'm so used to, which is sportier, but this is what I got. It's the Modenas Elegan 250cc. Look at it. It is as big as a boat. And that's how I feel every time I ride it. I'm not going to go through the specification of the bike because it's a scooter. It's a maxi scooter. It's very nice to look at, and I enjoy riding it. But there is one thing that really annoys me when I'm riding it, which is this thing. It's this freaking side mirror. I don't want to get rid of it, but what I want to do is I want to reposition it. I want to reposition to be a little bit forward because by being right here, every time when I ride it, I feel like it's in my face. So everywhere I look at, I will see the mirror. It's not like it's a bad thing, but I don't want to be looking at the mirror most of the time when I'm riding it. So it's got to be repositioned. Oh yeah, another reason that I have to relocate the side mirror is because every time when I get myself into a traffic jam, it feels that the side mirror is very close to the cars, because I'll be riding right in between. Because the position of the side mirror is already quite high, so I think it's best if I just push it forward a little, if I can put it a little bit at the front and then lower it for a bit, so that when I pass by the cars, I don't feel that it's gonna hit the cars on the sides. So I bought this block of plate from Shopee, and it just arrived, and I am going to install it. It's supposed to be the holder of the side mirror, which is going to be at the side of the windshield. And I don't know what it's going to be like, but from what I've been watching on YouTube, it looks kind of neat. So yeah, I am going to do it right now. Alright. Okay, so I just got the left side done, and this is how it's going to look like. Yep, it's going to be right at the side of the windshield, which from here we just move it to the front right here. And I gotta say, the visibility once I sit on the bike, it feels a lot better. It feels way better. So let's have the first-hand experience. Look at it. This is where it was supposed to be at, and then now it's way at the front. It feels far away from me. It doesn't have to be like in my face, so I feel like this is better. So now I'm gonna have to work on the right side. All right, I'm done. So now it's time for a test ride. I think it looks okay, but I don't know. I'm just gonna have to take a few laps around the parking lot and see if I'm comfortable with it. So far it's looking good. Nice. Okay, this is nice. But on this side needs a little bit of a adjustment. That's a small matter. Well, I feel it's fine now. I feel it's looking better now. It suits the way I ride. I don't feel annoying as much when I'm riding this bike. So yeah, it's a very cheap modification that anyone can do on their bike on their own. They don't even have to go to a shop to do it, as long as you have the Allen keys and some idea of what to do with this, because it looks quite simple, but for you to make the adjustment of the side mirror takes a little bit of time and patience. Alright, so that's it from me. I'm not going to do as much of modification on this bike compared to the GSXR 150. If you can see this right here, I don't have my Suzuki GSXR with me because Right now the bike is with Tune Boss. I send my bike there, let them work on some things, and hopefully I'll get the bike by next week. And there are a couple of things that I can share with you, maybe some upgrade. So thank you for watching the video. It's a very short one, but I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.